Alright, so in today's video we're going to be playing cook burgers. Yeah, let's get started. As you all know, my microphone is still dead. I don't have my replacement yet. It should be coming in about a week. So you guys will be hearing better audio quality. I won't sound like I'm 50 feet away from it at all times. For context, I'm about 3 inches away from my microphone right now while talking. But anyways, let's get started playing some cook burgers. Alright, so my microphone keeps falling on the ground, so I have to put it in a really weird position, which in turn makes my posture worse, but, she's the manager. I can't grab her. I can grab you, though. Alright, you want double cheeseburger with, some cheese. Okay. Okay. Here comes Amazon. I don't know why Amazon's delivering food for cook burgers, but I mean, helpful for me. Yep. This is a really sanitary kitchen. I'm just going to tell you, we only prepare burgers in the most sanitary ways and of cooking methods. That guy's not going to wait too long for his burger. We need to get his order ready as soon as possible. The freak? Dude! Alright, your burger got eaten by another actually the chef. So you... I would just like to formally apologize for our fallen brothers in combat. Let's take a moment of silence for the ketchup and mustard. Okay. Nobody says that about our buns. They're really delicious, okay? Feel that heat. Your toes in the... Oh. She's dead. Oh, my microphone is about to fall. Oh. Alright. I was going to do the formally apologize thing again, but I would just like to know what the freak happened here. Take a listen. Is it just me, or is this ketchup really good? And this ketchup is really good. I'm kind of in the middle. Oh, she's over there. Alright, that's enough eating ketchup. We gotta make a burger. That's the whole point of this game. This guy's just going to destroy the burger, though, so... Yeah, I think this should do pretty good. Oh, we need another one. I mean, okay, that isn't terrible. But that wasn't the full price I asked for. That wasn't the 20 bucks plus tip. Alright, have fun. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So, I mean, yeah. If you like this video, watch some more. This one here. That one's pretty good. But anyways, subscribe. Alright, if you're still here, thank you. But, yeah, just a little update. A little bit after I recorded the video. She is still here. She is not gone. Oh, sorry for the angle. But yeah, she's still here. She's not going anywhere. I'm kind of getting a little bit worried, you know? I mean, she's just here. She's not doing anything. Is it my problem no more, though? Oh, what's this?